It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, the 12th of July. I'm Michael Groff. Temperatures remaining above average, but with an increase in monsoonal moisture leading to widely scattered late afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms over a good portion of the state. Some of those will try to get into the valley from time to time. As we head to next week, we'll see a downtrend in temperatures and maybe a more dramatic increase in monsoonal moisture, perhaps a tropical system to deal with as well. All right, let's talk about it. First, we'll look at the almanac from yesterday. 115 degrees, the afternoon high, after a morning low, if you can call it that, of 91. The normal high, 107. That normal low now up to 85. And as we take a look outside right now, it's 7:25 a.m. Mostly sunny sky across the area, and it is already 97 degrees at Sky Harbor. Our morning low temperature has been 93, so it's going to be a hot one. Dew points at 49, relative humidity 19%, the winds are light, and the barometer is steady. The upper air look, yep, it's the same story here across the west. High pressure is the dominant feature, now sitting just to the north of us. More of an east-southeasterly flow is taking place, and you can see that moisture is to the south of us. We do expect to see some increase in monsoonal moisture as we go through the next few days with this pattern holding firm. Here's the watch warning map under that big ridge. We still have heat as our primary concern. Excessive heat warnings and heat advisories over Texas, parts of Oklahoma, Arkansas, and Louisiana. More heat issues out here across parts of the west with heat advisories for Oregon, parts of Nevada, and Idaho. Around Boise, high temperatures could exceed 100 to around 105 degrees up there today. The convective outlook for today, we've got a risk of severe storms extending from around Little Rock, Arkansas, all the way up to Caribou, Maine. Another marginal risk for parts of Minnesota and Wisconsin. Here in Arizona, we're in the green, so thunderstorms are possible. And while we don't expect organized severe weather, any one storm can become severe. Here's a look at precipitation. This is valid through Tuesday morning of next week. Rain amounts in Phoenix, not a lot. Generally under 1/10 of an inch, according to the WPC, with amounts anywhere from 1/2 to 1 inch possible over the higher terrain, the rim country, eastern mountains, the southeastern portion of the state. But remember, these maps during this time of the year, any one spot can always get more than what's shown here. Locally, heavy thunderstorms do occur. They could drop an inch in a matter of 20, 30 minutes. You know, that can happen. This represents more of an average of what you'll see across the region. So with that in mind, let's break this weather pattern down in more detail. To do that, we'll take a look at the models. Here we go. This is the GFS. It's the 06Z run, and this is valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. All right, high pressure in control across the southwest, centered somewhere close to the Four Corners. The flow aloft turning more out of the southeast. So at least a minor increase in moisture is likely to continue through the day today. And what that means for us down below all of that, yeah, mostly sunny sky this morning. We'll see some increase in clouds by this afternoon. And widely scattered showers and thunderstorms will develop over the higher terrain and push toward the lower deserts. Highs in Phoenix today, not quite as oppressive as yesterday. Still, I expect highs somewhere between 108 to 112. Tonight, partly cloudy, slight chance we could see a shower or thunderstorm. More than likely, if we see anything at all, it would come in the form of blowing dust, some gusty winds, similar to what we saw last night. But some of you, at least a few of you, may see some raindrops. And overnight lows tonight, yeah, again, very warm, mid-80s to low 90s. And then tomorrow, a further increase in moisture is likely. So scattered afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms over the higher terrain, and some of those will get into the lower desert. We'll call for a 30% chance of storms here in Phoenix tomorrow evening. High temperatures tomorrow, once again, somewhere between about 107 to 111. On Thursday, the ridge might intensify just a little bit. Upper heights come up a decameter or two, so high temperatures may bounce back to around 109 to 113. Mostly sunny sky here in Phoenix, some widely scattered afternoon and evening storms. Probably a down day for thunderstorms here. But on Friday, more active weather could occur as model guidance is showing some sort of weak easterly wave or disturbance moving into the region from New Mexico into southeast Arizona. If that should happen, more scattered, maybe even numerous showers and thunderstorms develop there, and some of those push into the lower deserts. Once again, we'll bump rain chances back up to around 30% for Friday night here in Phoenix. High temperatures on Friday fall back a couple of degrees with increased moisture, but still probably close to 110. Over the weekend, a low-grade monsoon forecast in effect for both Saturday and Sunday. High temperatures, I'd say 106 to 110, with slight chances of afternoon and evening showers and storms. Now, as we go to next week, we'll see a subtle change in the weather pattern begin to take place. This subtropical ridge starts to weaken, the upper heights come down, slightly cooler air in the mid-levels, and more easterly waves coming in. So, an increase in the number of showers and thunderstorms expected to take place, especially in the afternoon and evening hours each day. And high temperatures should start to come down with increased clouds and moisture as well. Highs closer to normal on Monday. Then going out to a week from today, this is Tuesday the 19th, ridging still around, but again, more easterly to southeasterly winds aloft and disturbances rotating around this ridge for scattered afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms in place. High temperatures near normal, maybe even starting to get below average, depending on the number of storms we see. And then things turn even more intriguing as we go out 10 days. This is Thursday the 21st. We still have our ridge here across the southwest. Plentiful monsoon moisture around. But look what's also still on the board from yesterday. Yeah, that's our tropical system moving up the west coast of Mexico. This deterministic run certainly would indicate to us numerous showers and thunderstorms, maybe the potential for some heavy rain. And a few of our ensemble members in the GFS especially move this entire system northward right up into the greater southwest by the end of next week or the following weekend for a potential significant rainfall event. Now, this is 10 days out and beyond. We're not going to buy into those solutions just yet, just kind of something interesting to keep an eye on. We'll watch those model trends, but just know that there is potential for more significant moisture coming in here by the latter part of next week and beyond. We'll keep you posted. Speaking of, as we take a look at rainfall for Phoenix, this goes out through the 26th of July, coming off of the GFS ensemble. And you see, there are members there, at least a couple of them, that have rainfall rates well over 2.5 inches. Some are well over an inch, inch and a half. The ensemble mean is continuing to trend up as well, now approaching 1 inch. So, after several weeks of dry weather, we could start to see a more notable uptick in monsoon activity, especially as we head into next week. And as we look at temperatures off the national blend of models, still remaining very hot for the rest of this week and this weekend. Highs 110 plus every day, but then a notable downtrend out there toward next week, especially if we do see more significant moisture coming in here. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, and suggestions. Music fans, check it out. It's available 24/7, 365, talking about my streaming station. It's called KMGX. We play a ton of music, have a lot of fun while doing that. It is myself and the one and only Michelle involved in the programming and operation of that station. So do check it out. I'll leave a link to it in the description. All right. Thank you so much for watching. All of your continued support. It is greatly appreciated. You guys be safe, stay cool, stay hydrated out there, and have yourselves an epic Tuesday.